Paula, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce. And I'm joined by what the heck, my husband Rick. How you doing?
Doing good. You were just so like in there, in the pocket. Yes. Just go.
Because then it just comes right out, you know? No time to think.
That was awesome. Here we go.
Well, I'm happy to see that you are wearing one of my favorite bands.
Well, I'm not wearing. Yeah, I'm wearing their T-shirt. I'm not wearing the band, but yeah, the T-shirt. So yeah, Judas Priest from the Redeemer of Souls concert that we saw. That was back. It's been a few years now. That was probably around was that 2016 or 2015 around there?
I think 16.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a great concert. Mm-hmm. Great concert. That was at the Coquitlam Casino, which is now the Hard Rock Casino in Coquitlam, and I was so excited.
Yes, because I think he was like 66 years old, somewhere around there.
Halford?
Yeah.
He would have been a little bit younger than that. A little bit younger.
Okay. Well, because he's 69.
Yeah, so he'd have been in mid-60s, so.
Yeah, like, and his voice, he can still freaking sing. Oh my God.
Yeah.
High notes.
The power.
And the low notes.
But it's not even just that. It's because with him being like classically trained, like opera and all the rest, he has that, he has the lung capacity.
Oh,
and so he can hold a note, and you're
unbelievable.
You'd actually think that it was actually being done electronically, like where somebody's just hitting a sustainer button.
Right.
Right? But it's not. It was amazing, right?
Yeah.
So, and then getting to see them being down on the floor, you were up in your seats.
Yeah, you deserted.
Yeah.
Me again.
Such a bad guy. But yeah, I mean, I had to get down. And the thing was is that to have that ability to be like 10 feet at the most from the stage and be able to see the band do their stuff, it was amazing.
It was absolutely incredible. And we were there for...
your birthday.
Yes.
Yeah, good times. So we got coffee to deal with here.
Yes, we should.
Republica Coffee Roasters. I was out and about the other day and said to them, hey, need some coffee. And so the girl said, try these two, because we hadn't tried them yet. And so tell us what you got there.
So this is Perfect Storm, which is a dark blend, and actually it's their favorite coffees that they've actually blended together. And then over there's Peru, that's a medium blend, has sort of a floral, maybe even slightly fruity, I'm not quite sure, but yes, they are a medium roast.
Yeah, and she was raving about both of them. She said like the staff just love both of these coffees. I think the Perfect Storm, if I remember right, she said was one that they all just go nuts over. So
interesting.
Let's try.
Let's try.
So that one right off the bat it's a very strong coffee. Like there's a lot of flavor coming at you right away. It is
bold.
Like right away. As soon as it's out of the gate, it's coming at you.
And rich mouthfeel to it.
I think it'll be, what was that coffee that we had a couple episodes ago? Really bold. I'm trying to remember which one it was now. But it was really bold, and I said to you it was going to be really good as a latte.
Was it Ethical Bean?
It was Lush from Ethical Bean.
It's a medium.
Yeah, but
medium dark.
But it was amazing in a latte for me.
Yeah.
For me, as a pour over, it was a little too much going on. This one is very much in that same category to me. It's very much like that.
Okay.
Right. It does remind me of Lush. Let's try this one here. Now this is the Peru. Very smooth. It's softer. Like it's a more, I hate to say it, like it's not more balanced, but you know what I'm saying? Like it's not
it's
so
lighter.
It doesn't punch like boom, right? So
it does have almost like a dark chocolate finish to it.
It does. I would
light, not very.
I would say this would be one for a pour over for me. This one here.
Yep.
And that's just my taste. Everybody's a little different. It's like how you love the lush and whatever. To me, that's just a little too much going on for me to have as a straight pour over. I bet you it's going to be dynamite as a latte. Let's go for a latte.
Yes, let's try a latte.
After you. Folks, I can't believe I don't have her grabbing the mug anymore. It's so good.
Yeah. This is really good.
Yeah.
I like it.
It is, right?
You still taste that richness of it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not like the milk doesn't overly drown it out.
Mm-hmm. And that's the thing that's with lattes you got to be careful with, because sometimes the coffee, the notes in the coffee get erased. You know, like in some of it, because just the milk can be too strong.
Yum.
Let's go for this one.
Very good. It's nice.
See, and
but it doesn't have the punch.
Nope. So that's the thing. This one here, because it's a little softer on the notes, in my opinion, when you put it into that latte, it almost it just pasteurizes it. Like it just sort of takes away that sort of any of the richness of the coffee. It's good. You would still be able to enjoy that as a latte.
This would be for someone who's not a huge coffee drinker, and they just want just a hint.
Just a hint of it. Yeah, exactly.
It is very nice though. Very nice. And I have to concur with you.
Go figure. It is 2020. Anything can happen. Yeah, that's good. As I say, it's very soft. Like that's something to me that you would totally enjoy as on the later in the afternoon even. You know, this would be a morning latte for me.
Yeah.
Right.
I actually have to agree with you, hun.
Wait for that meteor strike to happen.
or for me to antagonize you in some other way.
That would never happen.
No.
Hey, folks, thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate it. Hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, click the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the reminder bell afterwards so you don't forget any or miss out on any of our future content. Don't forget, we have our giveaway contest going right now for the Spirit Bear pod coffee machine. And so the details of that are on our Facebook page and our Instagram page. You have to be a subscriber to win on our YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed to that and you go and do the other socials, you don't win. So you got to get on that. Draw date's coming up in a couple of weeks, so you still got some time to get in there and get on that. And don't forget to visit our store. Our store is doing really well. We love it, and we're always adding more products to it. And so you can go and visit our store at www.groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca. Thank you.
Thank you, and thank you.
Thanks, folks. Have yourself a great week. We'll catch you next week.